In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fun meme using Kapwing, an easy and versatile online editing tool. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with video editing, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to craft a hilarious meme that you can share with your friends. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to kapwing.com. Once there, you should see a button that says Create New. Click on that, and it will take you to the editing workspace. This is where all the magic happens. Kapwing makes it simple to turn your creative vision into a reality, so don't worry if you're new to this. We'll go through each step together. Now that you're in the workspace, you'll need to upload the video or image you want to transform into a meme. Look for the Upload option and select the file from your device. Your content will be the canvas of your meme masterpiece, so choose something that lends itself well to humor or creativity. With your video or image successfully uploaded, it's time to adjust the canvas to suit the platform where you'll likely share your meme. On the right panel of the screen, you'll find options to change the canvas ratio. You can opt for a 1:1 square ratio, which is ideal for Instagram, or a 9:16 vertical ratio, perfect for TikTok or Instagram stories. This step ensures your meme fits perfectly wherever you decide to post it. Next, let's add some blank space to your video. This might sound a bit unusual, but adding extra space above or below your video provides the perfect area for your meme captions, ensuring they stand out and are easy to read. It's these small touches that elevate a regular video to meme status. Now, it's time for the fun part, adding your witty text. Click on the text option and type in your meme caption. For a classic meme style, you'll want some text at the top and some at the bottom. Here's a playful idea. At the top, you might write, "Me and my bestie in the retirement home." And for the bottom, "Who will trip you just for laughs?" The text you choose is what will bring your video to life and add that humorous twist that makes memes so shareable. Once you've added your text, take a moment to preview your creation. Make sure the font is legible and the text doesn't clash with your video or image. Experiment with different font styles and colors if you need to, ensuring everything is cohesive and visually appealing. And there you have it, your very own meme, created from scratch with Kapwing. Feel free to play around with these tools and personalize your meme even further, maybe by adding some music or animations. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and save your work and it's ready to be shared with the world.